Inflatable kayaks have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their convenience and versatility. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned paddler, inflatable kayaks offer an accessible, low-barrier option for getting out on the water. With so many brands and models on the market, choosing the right fit for you can be overwhelming. This is why we've tested the most popular models on the market to give our honest feedback on the pros and cons. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 inflatable kayaks on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Intex Challenger Kayak. The Intex Challenger K2 is an 11'6" inflatable tandem kayak that's good for easy setup and transport. It's a budget model that works better, for 1 or 2 paddlers, than similar boats. And with a maximum weight capacity of 400 pounds, it can carry some extra gear on top of 2 paddlers. This affordable kayak tracks better than cheaper competitors and is easy to maneuver. Everything you need for your session is also included in the Challenger package. Made of just a single layer vinyl, there's nothing impressive about this inflatable boat as a performance boat. There are better models for touring. But for its price, the Intex Challenger K2 comes off very well compared to similarly priced inflatable boats. Things we like: tracks better than similarly priced inflatable kayaks, provides an introduction to kayaking. Things we don't like: single layer inflatable kayaks are less robust, a little cramped for 2 6-foot paddlers. Number 2. DriftSun Voyager Inflatable Kayak. You can enjoy paddling in this inflatable kayak by DriftSun both solo and with another person. Choppy waters are no longer an obstacle to a pleasant time in the water. The boat's pointed nose, removable tracking fin, and a rocker profile are the reason behind it. The rugged PVC tarpaulin bottom, along with the coated 840D nylon Oxford material, provides protection from tears and prolongs the life of the gear. You are able to see the return on your investment in a year's time with continuous use. The back seats are padded, the skegs are removable, and the bungee storage is spacious. There is hardly anything else you would need from a kayak. Make use of the paddles that are adjustable between 0 and 60 degrees and sail from one shore to another with confidence in your skills. So, beginner's skills and a high-quality kayak like this is more than enough. Number 3. Advanced Elements AE 1007R Kayak. Beginners and recreational kayakers alike will come to appreciate this low-maintenance Firefly inflatable kayak designed by Advanced Elements. It has built-in rigid panels for smooth tracking that put it on the same level with some of the toughest hard-shell kayaks. The easy inflation is backed by the twist lock and spring valves, whereas the rugged exterior is the result of the 600 denier polyester material. For your convenience, it features molded rubber grip handles, a tracking skeg, and a bungee cord that work together for delivering the best kayaking trip of your life. Bring your family on board with you, pack your kayaking essentials, and you are set for a weekend of adventures. The rigid panels ensure the ultimate stability when in the water. The bungee deck lacing allows you to bring a jacket or other essentials with you. It is prone to tipping. The weight capacity is quite low. Number 4. Airhead Montana Kayak. Whether you go kayak camping, exploring new places, or practicing for races, this inflatable kayak by Airhead Montana will be a great option for you. It fits in the back of your car, in a suitcase, and in a duffel bag with no problems. The 12-foot beast is built from 840D nylon and is coated with the UV water-resistant layer that ensures the ultimate long-lastingness. The 6 D-rings at the stern and the bow of the kayak help in securing the gear, while the tracking grab handles allow you to quickly get in and out of the boat. The seats are movable and are comfortable to use, which comes in handy when paddling for long hours at a time. You even get neoprene elbow guards. This is a nice bonus to have. The bright orange exterior helps to make you visible in case of an emergency and differentiate you from other kayakers. Number 5. Allswitch Inflatable Hybrid Kayak. The Switch is a SUP kayak hybrid from Allsurf and SUP. This is one of the most versatile inflatable craft we've seen in the last few years. It's got cargo features and accessory options that are designed in unique ways. As a tandem kayak, these features really shine through. As a stand-up paddle board, the Switch is a pretty awesome touring board that has the maneuverability to match the best all-rounders too. Just to top it off, the link system allows for more attachments, while eliminating all the D-rings used by other boards. That makes this one of the best yoga boards as well. Things we like: doing yoga, fishing, tandem kayaking, tandem SUPing. Most comfortable 2-in-1 seat. One of the most lightweight models out there. The suede-like deck pad is very nice on the feet. Things we don't like. Currently no action mounts. As a trade-off, the more comfortable deck pad takes longer to dry equals longer packing time. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.